So almost all SUVs here have some sort of upgrades today. Starting with the biggest upgrades we have. The first car is Manish Bhai's Endeavour. This car has got a ARB AirLocker kit, and these are the switches. This is how you turn on the compressor, and this is how you activate the rear air locker. Turn off and turn off. And this is the compressor, and this compressor can be used for front and rear air lockers, and also for inflation. And this is pretty fast inflator. Typically takes around 20 to 25 seconds for a 20 to 30 psi top up. Coming to the second car, this is the Pajero Sport, and Pajero Sport has also got the same identical kit here, although the part numbers are different. The compressor in this car is mounted in the engine bay.
So we've got the ARB AirLocker installed for the rear differential in this one. These are the switches, as you can see here. We've got the air compressor and the rear air locker. You have to go on and get the air compressor to build up pressure, and you have to switch it on. As you can see, it's illuminated on the top. Once it's illuminated, it immediately, in about 2 seconds, it fills up the pressure, then goes on. You can go on and engage the rear locker. Once you're done, of course, you can then switch the rear locker off, get the compressor off. In our conditions, of course, we need more control than this, otherwise it's prone to being played on. So we've got a kill switch installed in the armrest. It's right inside, not sure if you can see it, but it's there to ensure that pretty much people don't play with this. Then we've got the compressor right here. This is the air compressor. This is a heavy duty one, so it can do duty for your air lockers as well as topping up tires. This is the inflation kit, and then the gauge to go with it. It's all plug and play. Don't have to do too much here. You plug it in this one. Well, I've got it switched off, otherwise it would have come switched on. And just plonk it in the tire and you're good to go. So fill it up as well. That's about it.
This is the key for the air locker switch. Basically, I have got this installed if I had to give this car for a service, so service advisors or those mechanics should not be playing with locker, because if somebody engage locker on a move, it will completely destroy the diff. So we need to be very careful with the locker.
So how does it function?
See, it's a fail-safe switch. Just
I guess this is a switch from old Jeeps.
Yeah, old Jeeps. Just you need to click it onto the accessories point, and then the system operates.
I'll come to the other side.
First you need to put the compressor on, then the locker. This basically maintains 100 psi pressure, and once you disengage the locker, it's off. Simple.
This is going to be the most asked question in the comment section. How much does the air locker and the compressor kit with the installation and everything cost?
See, basically the air locker and the compressor costed me around 1.25, and another 15k for the locker installation, which we have got it done at Classic Noida.
So typically it's going to cost between 1.25 to 1.5 lakh rupees depending on the model of the car, and that is only for one locker.
Yeah, only for one locker, but I have checked with for other models also. Locker cost same, like the kit is between 1.20 to 1.25.
Okay. And some more upgrades in some of the cars. This Fortuner manual transmission has just got Yokohama Geolander all-terrain G050 new generation tires, and some very minor upgrades to my car. I've got a snorkel installed. It's normally recommended for water wading, but I do have other reasons for installing the snorkel. That is the stock location of the air intake normally sucks in too much dust and my air filter gets clogged very often, and I compared it to other we cross in our group that has snorkel. That car takes in a lot less dust, and apart from that, some minor adjustments to the sliders and all. No big upgrades for me right now. We had bought these air lockers from Air90 few months back, and they've been lying with us due to the time restraint. So finally we got them installed. There were no installers in Delhi NCR who we know had worked on air locker installation before. So we decided to play it safe at our trusted workshop Classic Service Point at Noida. They are skilled at differential work, so we chose Classic as our installation place, and Air90 sent us their trained technician all the way from Chennai to supervise the installation work. And we are happy to report the installation for both the cars went well. We are thankful to Classic Noida for superb quality of work done on the cars, and we are also thankful to Air90 for all the help with the installation.